it goes. I am oh so fascinated, I am oh so entertained, standing here like a comedian. I repeat what I've said again and again and again, until the meaning has become an imitation of itself. An impression of an original defeats a fucking purpose. I don't know where this is going, but it's looking more and more like the same place that we started. Oh good God, holy shit, joke's on us, not on them. Just pretending to be astronauts, police officers and firemen. Oh good God.